Hello, today I'm in Jeep Wrangler. In this video I'll show you how to manage engine off options. In the beginning, let's take a look at the screen display and go to settings. Enter engine off options, and now you can adjust doors on engine off power delay between 0 and even 10 minutes time. Next, you can change headlight off delay between 0 seconds and even 90 seconds, and doors off engine power delay between 0 seconds and also 10 minutes. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.